What's going on, guys? Just a real quick video, show you one of my favorite snacks, and I normally have this blended up in a banana smoothie, which is really good. You can put like 4 to 8 dates or however many you want. This is them. So this is Medjool dates, and you can get these from Coles or Woolies as well, I think. They're really good. They're a really good way of keeping your calories up. So here's the nutritional information just here, and yeah, that's it. Alright, guys, I'll talk to you next time. See ya.